It is October of 2013, and I'm in Shakopee, and a tron is coming by. Trons are fucking cool. I waited a long time for this tron to come by. And it's fucking raining. It's fucking cool how the tron goes down the middle of the street almost. Well, that was a short tron. But they don't put cabooses on trons anymore, those fucking bastards. But I'm so glad I came here to make the video of the tron. I'm glad a tron came by. They should have passenger trons for people to ride here. They don't, those fucking bastards. They should get passenger trons for people to ride. Because trons should go every fucking where. And I'm so glad I have Asperger's syndrome because I make the most interesting tron videos in the whole world. And they only have one railroad track. It's really fucking stupid, Evelyn. What if a tron wants to come from the other direction? How the fuck can a tron come from that direction, that way, when a tron is already there? That's really fucking stupid. And it's October and the leaves are turning yellow and orange, and that is fucking cool. Better in the summer than when the weather was so fucking hot out with green leaves on the trees. Well, I'm gonna go to Hog Buffet for my well-deserved feast now that the tron came by.